Hey, what's up guys, it's Amit here, and in this video I'm just going to be showing you guys the dopest AR app that I found so far. And yeah, AR Kit just came out to the public today. It's on the App Store. All the apps are on the App Store today because iOS 11 just released. If you haven't downloaded iOS 11, go ahead and download that first. This tutorial's on my YouTube channel already, and I show you guys what's new in it and what's good in it and all that cool stuff. But right now I'm going to be showing you guys how this really cool AR Kit app looks on my iPad and on my iPhone right now. So you do need iOS 11 for this. Make sure you install iOS 11 first. So now you're going to be basically seeing my screen right now from my computer, and you're going to see what's happening. So basically what this app is, it's a solar system app. So you guys can see it right here. It's called Our SolAR, Our Solar, but AR for AR. So let's go ahead and open this. So as you can see, we'll be right here. It'll let it open right now, and it tells you that you do need your camera requirements in order to use this because it's using AR. So it tells you as soon as you open this, tilt your phone up to see your solar system. So let's go ahead and tilt our phone up. And as you can see, we see our whole solar system right here. We see stars, we see all these planets right here, and you can go ahead and tap on any one of them. So go ahead and tap on Venus, suppose, and we can just go ahead and just drag it around, like just move it around. And let's go ahead and swipe here and just learn about it. Click another fun fact, all of that cool stuff. You can just click X here, and suppose we don't want to see it this way. Suppose we want to see it like in an orbital way. So let's go ahead and click this bottom button right here, this orbit way, and we can see this way, like everything getting orbited right here. As you can see, you kind of look weird just doing this up. That's why I recommend you doing it. You could do this anywhere. You could do this in your house, backyard, wherever you are. But as you can see, everything is rotating right here. You can still tap on this. Let's go ahead and do Earth. We have some normal facts here. We get some fun facts here. We could still rotate this and stuff, and it's really cool. So then you could go back to the normal planet anytime, and there you go. That's it for the iPhone version. There's no landscape for the iPhone version, as you can see, but there is for the iPad. So let me go ahead and show you guys the iPad version right now. Okay, so now we're on my iPad Pro. As you can see, we have our icon right here, Our SolAR. I'll explain the icon and everything later on in the video, but first I just want to show you guys what the app is all about. So let's go ahead and open this up. As you can see, we have the nice intro. It says Our Solar System, and again, it tells you about what you need. So it tells you to tilt your iPad Pro up to see your solar system. So of course what we're going to do is we're going to tilt our iPad Pro up, and there we go. We see our planets, and as you can see, it's a lot nicer on iPad because it's big. And you can do the same thing, but on this you could actually tap on the stars, so you're able to reach the stars, but that's not the point. We can go ahead and go into Mercury right here. We see our whole planet right here, and it looks really nice with the background that we could see like right through it. You can see my hand coming right there. Let's go ahead and swipe through. As you can see, we have facts, and then we have fun facts right here. And suppose we want to see the orbit way again, we can go ahead and click the orbit way, and there we go. We have the orbit way, and we can do the same exact thing. Tap on the sun, suppose, and you're able to like just rotate it around, get some fun facts about it. And it's just cool to learn about the solar system when you have it right in front of you, right? Like there's nothing above me actually, like I'm sitting in the daytime, but you can just go ahead on your phone, and there you go. You just see it right here. As you can see from, like, I'll put it right here, you can see right there. But another thing that's cool about this is when I turn it into horizontal mode. This works in landscape mode as well. So let me go ahead and turn this into landscape mode. So there you go, it's on landscape mode right there. You got my iPhone right there. I'm not sure how this is going to look on the iPhone 8 yet because iPhone 8 is not out yet, but I'm sure it's going to look the exact same, and it's probably actually going to look better with the bezel-less display. So let's go ahead and go up. And as you can see, it still says swipe tap on a planet, and we still have our little Earth icon to go back to our normal rotation stuff. And excuse the wire is just going to my computer, so I'm able to see this. Let's go ahead and go into the sun, rotate it if we wanted to, click X, and then we can go back into this and see our normal way and just go all the way around and see all of the planets that we have. We have all over 8 planets, and yeah, it's just something cool to have around. Like you can tap on the stars, and there's a lot of cool stuff that I'm going to be adding in the future too. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's Our SolAR. Now let me go ahead and explain the name and everything. Alright, so you guys might be wondering what was the process behind the name and stuff. So the name is called Our SolAR. The AR is capital because Our Solar, like, you know, Our Solar, that's the name of the app. But AR is capital because AR Kit, so AR, so people know it's kind of AR Kit app. And yeah, so that's how I came up with the name. I actually wanted to do Our SolAR system, but it's taken, so I just took Our SolAR. I think that'd be pretty cool too. So in with the icon is basically just 2 planets, one in the center and one coming out from the side. So it's Mercury and Venus out on the other side that's like going up, like as you see in the normal way when you open up the app. And there's also the little two little camera icon grids that just show you like it's part of a camera app type of thing. So you're just opening it and you notice that it's going to be something that has to do with your camera and it's planets. So it's AR. So that's basically what went down there. And yeah, that's pretty much the basis of it. And you might be, I have had beta testers ask me, why does it say like for the iPad Pro, why does it say tilt your iPad Pro up, and for the iPhone it doesn't say like iPhone 7 Plus or something? The way I look at it is like there's only one category for the iPhone. It's just like iPhone. There isn't like multiple things. Like for the iPad, there's iPad 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then there's iPad mini, iPad Air, iPad Pro. So that's why I put it in two separate things. So like if the next iPhone was like iPhone 8 or something, right? Then it's still going to be staying iPhone. But if it was like iPhone Pro, then I would have to go in there and change the iPhone Pro. That's what I did, that just to give it like a personal feel of the device. And yeah, that's pretty much it. What else? And yeah, so the app is going to be available for 99 cents, I believe. 99 cents or $1.99, I'm not sure. I'm actually recording this on August 20th. It's not even near iOS 11 yet, but this is the time I'm almost done with it. And I've had beta testers test it and stuff on the iPhone and iPad. So it looks good right now. If you guys have any feedback, who's ever watching this, if you're watching this, I kind of trust you, so don't share this around. I'm making this an unlisted link so I can share this around to everyone who I trust so they notice it and like give me feedback on it. So yeah, if you have any feedback on it, message me on Twitter at AmitandKalra or Instagram or whatever you want to do. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys can download it when it comes out and maybe you'll get featured or something and hopefully it gets to the top charts. That's every developer's wish. But yeah, I really think this will actually get there because it's like it's an educational tool. It's just making learning fun because like instead of learning the solar system in our like books, around our books, we can actually see it like in our backyard, wherever you are, in your room, wherever you are really. So it's really cool. There's actually the eclipse is actually about to happen tomorrow, and that's making kids even more interested in the solar system. And yeah, that's just pretty cool. Like you get to see facts, and there's gonna be more facts added and stuff. And I plan to add like more like features. So like on a day that we're gonna have a solar eclipse and stuff, even the slightest one, I'm gonna actually have the app turn into a little thing like that. So yeah, that's what I'm planning on doing, and that's pretty much it. And if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. I'm saying that because this video might go public after the app comes live. And yeah, that's it. Peace.